Canfor is one of the world's largest producers of sustainable wood products. This video is going to show you the information about Canfor pulp and paper, which is one of its main products. Canfor Pulp manufactures high-quality pulp and paper products that offer strength and versatility. We also produce Kodiak Kraft and Polar Kraft from BC Sustainable Forest for high-strength, fine northern fibers. The production of pulp and paper begin with logging. When logs arrive at the woodyard, firstly their barks will be removed in the debarca. This process often lasts for 20 minutes. Then these logs are cut into wood chips. As wood chips enter the pulp mill, they are introduced into a digester where they are cooked in an acid solution to dissolve the lignin and remove fibers. During this step, the lignin dissolves, releasing the cellulose fibers and creating a mixture called pulp. Before these pulp are used to make paper, they need to be bleached and filtered, as lignin can make paper turn yellow over time and impact use. After these steps, we get soft and fibrous pulp. Through multiple steps, the water is removed from the pulp. After long time heated and pressed between hot rollers, the pulp is dried and shaped. We get paper sheet that can be cut into different size. Our products are sourced from responsibly managed Canadian forests, ensuring sustainability and environmental stewardship. Canfor operates extensive forest resources across British Columbia and Alberta, supplying its lumber and pulp production. The company manages multiple forest tenures, including Tree Farm License 30 near Prince George, a key area for sustainable harvesting. With stable access to Tree Farm License 30, Canfor Pulp ensures a consistent and sustainable supply of raw materials for pulp production. TFL 30 covers 180,347 hectares, with the majority being coniferous forests. The primary tree species include spruce, pine, and fir, which have long and strong fibers, making them ideal for producing high-quality pulp. With strict forestry management regulations, local timber harvesting follows sustainable principles to ensure the long-term health of forest resources. Prince George is strategically located at the confluence of the Fraser River and the Nechako River, offering a favorable geographical position and convenient transportation. As an inland transportation hub of British Columbia, Prince George is well connected to Canada's west coast and international markets through an extensive network of highways and railways. Canfor's headquarters is located on East 4th Avenue in Vancouver. Logistics within the North American market primarily rely on trucking and rail transportation, while most products destined for Europe and Asia are shipped by sea. Canfor Pulp has 3 major sales offices in Europe as well as Asia, located in Shanghai, Tokyo, and Seoul. In the global economy, Canfor Pulp faces competition from several industries, such as International Paper from the United States, JK Paper from India, and Domtar from Canada. International Paper leverages large-scale production to reduce costs and has a strong global presence. JK Paper benefits from the growing Indian market and has achieved solid expansion in Asia. Domtar focuses on environmentally friendly paper products, including high-end paper, packaging paper, and bio-based materials, with a global business reach. Canfor Pulp maintains its competitiveness through high-quality NBSK pulp and strict sustainable management. To adapt to the evolving digital and packaging markets, Canfor Pulp must optimize production, expand its market presence, and enhance its high-value-added products to secure its industry position. The global pulp market conditions were very strong throughout most of 2022. The upward pricing momentum experienced in the later part of 2021 and continued into the first half of 2022, as global pulp markets tightened significantly, primarily driven by global transportation challenges and other challenges. The growth rates for North American, Western Europe, Latin American, Japan, and China are 0.3%, 2.1%, 4.7%, 13%, and -0.7% separately. So the target customers are paper mills, tissue and hygiene product manufacturers, and other paper and pulp users. 4 demographics characteristics. The main customer groups include publishing industry, printing industry in North America, Europe, and some Asian markets. These customers are usually located in cities or industrial areas and have strong purchasing capabilities because they are mainly commercial and industrial users. 4 psychographics characteristics. Customers hope to choose low-carbon and renewable paper products to meet ESG goals. They show interest in environmental certifications such as FSC However, they are concerned about the uncertainty of the global market, such as fluctuations in raw material prices and supply chain disruptions, which affects their procurement decisions. Canfor Pulp is proud to be able to offer one of the most diverse specifications of softwood kraft pulps and paper available from any suppliers to the market today. Their products include bleached softwood kraft pulp and polar kraft, etc. Besides, they use Pinus contorta from British Columbia, Canada, high-quality tree species such as Picea glauca and Abies lasiocarpa. Canfor, as a sustainability-driven brand identity and pulp and paper market leadership, trusted by customers in various industries and have wide market. Their brand is a guarantee and they continue to innovate in eco-friendly solutions, ensuring reliable paper products. Here, we will analyze Canfor's recent performance, key financial indicators, strategic decisions, and its outlook for the future. From substantial operating losses to strategic acquisitions, let's take a closer look at how Canfor is navigating these turbulent times. Canfor's financial losses have increased sharply. In Q3 2024, the company reported a $560 million loss, more than double the $251 million earlier in the year, compared to just $65 million in Q3 2023. Breaking down the losses, $311 million came from asset write-downs and impairments, contributing to a total shareholder net loss of $350 million. These figures reflect the ongoing challenges Canfor faces in the lumber market. In response to these financial pressures, Canfor has made the difficult decision to permanently close several key production facilities. Among the most significant closures are the Fort St. John and Plateau sawmills in northern British Columbia. These closures mark a substantial shift in Canfor's operational footprint, reflecting both economic realities and shifting market dynamics. Following Canfor's announcement of their loss, its stock price dropped $2.96 per share. Despite this decline, shares have shown signs of recovery, reaching $15.16, as investors respond to Canfor's cost-cutting measures and international expansion. Despite these setbacks, Canfor is actively seeking growth opportunities. In December 2024, the company expanded its stake in Sweden's Vida AB, acquiring an additional 7% of outstanding shares. To align production with shifting market demand, Canfor has made strategic workforce adjustments to improve efficiency and reduce costs. This includes the indefinite curtailment of one shift at its Darlington facility in South Carolina and reduced operating hours at its Estill, South Carolina, and Moultrie, Georgia locations. These measures are expected to lower lumber production by approximately 215 million board feet annually, aligning output with market conditions while easing financial pressures. Though necessary for stability, these changes highlight broader challenges in the forestry industry, where fluctuating demand and economic uncertainty continue to influence operations. Despite these challenges, Canfor remains committed to strategic investments and growth. The company is expanding its stake in Sweden's Vida AB to diversify revenue and strengthen its market position. Additionally, it prioritizes sustainability through responsible forestry and operational efficiencies. While uncertainties persist, Canfor's ability to navigate downturns, restructure operations, and drive strategic growth will be key to its future success. Last, let's do the SWOT analysis, which means strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. In the strength aspect, Canfor sets pulp and paper mill in BC, where has extensive forest resources that can provide an adequate supply of raw materials. BC has a very mature nursery system, which ensures the regrowth of tree species and provides a stable wood yield. What's more, BC is a global leader in sustainable forestry management, with strict forest management regulations and certification systems. In the weakness, pulp and paper industry have extremely high water demand. To make 1 kilogram paper, 100 liters fresh water is consumed. According to a 2024 report, there are more mills getting closed, and many workers are losing their jobs. In the opportunity aspect, pulp and paper have large market demand. The market size is projected to be $377 billion in 2029 and continue growing. In the threat aspect, according to a government report, the pulp and paper industry in Canada is responsible for half of water pollution and 6% of the air pollution. These pollution mainly come from the use of dyes and bleach in the production process. At Canfor Pulp, we believe in a future where sustainability meets performance. Together, we are shaping a cleaner, greener world, one fiber at a time. For more information, please contact Canfor without hesitation. We are glad to hear from you.